Hi, I'm Steve Cocknell from Allett Mowers. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the spring tines on the Allett QC Scarifier cartridge range. So you'll be looking to replace these as and when they are worn or damaged. They're very easy to replace. You can either do this by hand, or if you have got a lot to do, it's best to use some needle nose pliers. So you're able to pull the spring tine from the cartridge holder, and you'll notice you've got the spring leg, and you've also got a spring section which will locate into the plastic moulding. There is a cutout on the side where the spring tine locates. So you basically feed that through with the spring legs facing in the drive direction, and then you can just push that into the locator.